heavens as we sing. The kingdom of the Lord is here in this place. He shall reign over us. Let all the nations bless His name, the one and only name that reigns forevermore. Behold the name